Today we are reading Cars Go, 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 a Step 1 ready-to-read step into reading book. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activities. And visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources and access to my principal and play-based no prep curriculum. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories. Now let's read Disney Pixar's Cars Go, Go, Go. Everyone is on the go in Radiator Springs. Lightning is a race car. He drives fast. Mater is a tow truck. He pulls cars out of trouble. Fillmore is a van. He is green and he makes fuel. Mac is a trailer truck. He carries lightning. Aloud is a blimp. He floats in the sky. Red is a fire truck. He has a water hose. Tractors have big wheels. They tip over easily. Sheriff is a police car. He has a red light and a siren. Guido is a forklift. He carries tires. The helicopter flies in the air. Its blades spin around and around. Sarge is a 4x4. He rides over rocks. Frank is a combine. He cuts grain. The train rides on a track. Bulldozers are big and strong. Go, go, go. What was your favorite part of this book? Pause the video after each question to write, draw, or discuss. Who did you meet in the story first, next, then, and last? Name the characters and describe them. What are the settings of the story? When and where are each of the characters? Are there any conflicts or problems in the story? How and why do the characters or might they respond to the problem to solve it? What do the characters learn in any of the scenes and what can you learn from them? For example, when the tractor tips over, how could they work together to get him back upright again? Write or draw about your favorite cars and vehicles. You can create your own car or draw your favorites. You can create new scenes and storylines from the Cars movie or your own. Go back to the beginning of this video and reread on your own or while listening along again, and write down any new words to turn into flashcards to practice your sight words. Visit my playlist for more early readers. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories like this one, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for principal and play-based no prep curriculum and free learning activities for home or the classroom. Thank you for reading with me.